I'm in the office because I love it, first of all, but more importantly, because I'm getting ready for 2025, and I will not be a bum in 2025. And I hope you don't plan to be a bum neither. What you're looking at are my quarterly goals, guys, for the first quarter. There are 4 quarters in a year, if you don't know. Um, and this sheet right here is very powerful for me because it has enabled me to split my goals, not just as it pertains to business, because I believe that life is a lot more than just making money. It's also taking care of your health, for example, your family and relationships, intellectual education, right? Like, for example, like I like to specify how many books, what events I'm going to attend, lifestyle and adventure, how many trips am I going to go on, where am I going to go, when am I going to go, my environment, my tribe, right? Who I'm surrounding myself with, etc., etc. Guys, this is a very powerful document that I put on my refrigerator. I print many copies of this so that I know if I'm on target with my goals. So I create something like this for my yearly goals, and then I just break it down into quarterly goals. So I'm constantly looking at it and constantly keeping myself accountable to make sure that I'm getting closer to what I want to achieve in 2025. I highly encourage you, if you guys want this template, send me a DM, hit me up, wherever you're watching this at. Put it in the comments and I'll share it with you guys. But more importantly, you have to put it on paper. You'll increase the odds of it actually happening.